What's up traders, Red here with another trading update. Unlike yesterday's slow ranging market, today was actually pretty action packed with the price dumping almost straight down for most of the day. But even with all this price action, I still didn't see a setup today that matched my plan. It looked exciting on the surface because things were moving fast, but fast price action doesn't automatically mean a good environment for a good trade. And one thing I've learned over and over is that fast price action can just as easily mean fast reversals. Sure, in hindsight, it's easy to say that if you shorted at almost at any point today, you would have made money. But the reality is that we just do not know that in real time. But I'm trying to stay disciplined enough to not let hindsight trick me into thinking that those would have been clean entries or clean setups. During my live stream, I actually did put in a short order right here as the price was beginning to dump. Alright, I'm gonna go short here, guys, in a minute. My entry is 6787 and 25 cents. So I might not get filled in, and I'm not giving myself too long to get filled, but we'll see. Alright, so far it's good. It's looking good. Alright, it keeps breaking down. Alright, let's go. Let's go. But once I waited for all the confirmation that my strategy required, it was already too late. By the time everything lined up the way I needed to, the price had already moved away from my order. And it never came back to fill me in. Oh my god. It just keeps going. I can't zoom in far enough, guys. Alright. Just screw my order, okay? I'm gonna cancel it in like 10 minutes, but I can't even fit it into the screen. And I don't feel any FOMO about that because being cautious and waiting for the right confirmations means you miss the trade like today, and that's completely fine with me. The same patience that kept me out of this move today is the same kind of patience that'll save me in situations where price pretends to go without you and then snaps back violently, which is the exact kind of scenario that hurts the most when you get into a trade too early or you try to market buy in or market sell in. If you watched yesterday's video, and if you haven't, I'll link it in the description below. I talked a lot more in depth about why days like this are completely okay and how little it takes to still have a strong month when you're consistent. Yesterday was more of a psychology heavy discussion about capital and profit preservation and understanding that forcing trades is where most people dig themselves into deeper holes. So if you want the longer version of that thought process, definitely give it a watch. Today, I'm not trying to repeat all of that, but the same idea applies. I don't feel like I missed anything, and I don't feel like I wasn't productive today for not taking a trade. Like I mentioned in yesterday's video, it really doesn't take that many wins to make meaningful progress. Obviously, this month is an exception for me because of the terrible start I had and the drawdowns I put myself in, but that doesn't change the fact that the discipline still has to come first, even when the chart looks tempting. So instead of trying to chase something or convince myself that I should be trading just because the market is moving fast, I stayed calm and stuck to the rules I already set for myself. And that's all I'm focused on right now, showing up every morning, following the plan, and accepting whatever the market gives me. And today, it simply did not give me a clean setup, so I didn't take a trade. It's really that simple. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you to everyone who hung out with me during the live stream this morning. Even on these quiet and frustrating days, it's always fun to talk through levels and watch the market together. And I'll be live again tomorrow at New York Open like always. Let's finish the week strong, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. This has been Red, signing out. Peace.